Buying a car is a big investment, and the last thing you want is to make the wrong choice. But what if you could get a car for under $5,000 that runs flawlessly for years and costs almost nothing to maintain? Backed by owner experiences and reliability reports, these are 17 budget-friendly cars known for long-term dependability. They prove you don't have to spend big money to make a smart purchase. Number 17. Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is a go-to choice for cab drivers and commuters for a reason. It just doesn't die. While a new one goes for over $22K, early 2000s models, 2003 to 2008, are available for under $5K. The 1.8L engine is straightforward and durable, often exceeding 200K miles with standard upkeep. Maintenance is incredibly cheap, about $362 per year, and fuel economy sits around 30 mpg combined. Some older models had minor oil usage issues, but they're easily resolved and rarely affect longevity. Number 16. Honda Civic built to last. The 2006-2011 Honda Civic holds up remarkably well. You can still snag one for under $5,000, even though newer models cost north of $25K. The 1.8L engine is long-lasting, and maintenance is infrequent, averaging just 0.2 shop visits annually. It ranks high in its class for reliability, with an average repair bill of $368 a year. It also gets up to 36 mpg highway. Some units had engine block cracks, but Honda extended coverage on those, making this a reliable bet overall. Number 15. Toyota Camry. The early 2000s Camry models are known for their bulletproof 2.4L engines. These cars can easily exceed 200K miles thanks to a timing chain setup and low-cost maintenance. A used one from this era goes for under $5K. Annual repair costs average just $388. Even basic parts are affordable, and though some models had minor oil leaks or oxygen sensor issues, these are cheap to fix. It's one of the most worry-free mid-size sedans around. Number 14. Honda Accord. The 2003-2007 Accord stands out as a reliable and refined sedan. You can find one under $5K, and the 2.5L four-cylinder engine is the version to get. It uses a timing chain, rarely breaks down, and can hit 250K miles with care. Maintenance averages $400 annually, and fuel economy is solid at 23 mpg city and 31 highway. The V6 versions had some transmission issues, so the four-cylinder is the safer choice. The cabin is also well built and ages nicely. Number 13. Toyota Avalon. The 2000-2005 Avalon offers Lexus-like comfort at a used Toyota price. Its 3.0L V6 is incredibly durable, often lasting well over 250K miles. Despite being full-size, it's cheap to maintain, with repair costs around $463 per year. The interior is roomy and premium, and the 4-speed automatic transmission is known for reliability. Minor cosmetic issues like cracked dashes or worn suspension may appear, but overall, it's a top-value full-size sedan. Number 12. Lexus ES 300/330. Think of this as a Camry in a suit. The 2002-2006 ES shares its bones with Toyota's Camry, but adds luxury touches. The 3.0L or 3.3L V6 is long-lasting, and parts are easy to find due to platform sharing. Maintenance averages just $468 a year, low for a luxury car. Features like leather seats and a quiet ride come standard. Minor issues like electrical quirks or shift hesitation have been reported, but don't affect long-term durability. Number 11. Honda Fit. The 2007-2013 Honda Fit is a compact hatch with big car reliability. Its 1.5L engine, paired with a timing chain, commonly exceeds 200K miles. Maintenance costs are low at around $390 per year. What really sets it apart is the Magic Seat system, offering huge cargo flexibility. It also scores high in reliability rankings. A few models had ignition or power steering quirks, but they're cheap to fix. Number 10. Scion XB. It may look unusual, but the first-gen Scion XB, 2004-2006, is one of the most dependable small cars under $5K. It runs a 1.5L engine sourced from the Echo Yaris lineup and can easily surpass 200K miles. Annual upkeep is around $386, and fuel economy is a strong 31 mpg combined. Inside, it's shockingly roomy for its size. Some had small oil consumption or VVT issues, but they're easily addressed. Number 9. Pontiac Vibe. A rebadged Toyota Matrix, the 2003-2008 Pontiac Vibe, gives you Toyota engineering at a lower cost. The 1.8L engine is the same used in the Corolla and is known to go 200k plus miles with ease. Fuel efficiency is solid at 35-38 mpg highway. Some 2003s had transmission whine, but later models fixed it. With optional AWD and great cargo space, it's a versatile, reliable buy under 5K. Number 8. Mazda 3 from 2004 to 2013. The Mazda 3 built a reputation for being both fun to drive and reliable. The 2.0L and 2.3L engines are known to cross 150k miles easily with regular oil changes. Later models improved corrosion protection, making them even more appealing. It handles better than most in this segment, bringing a little joy to daily driving without sacrificing longevity. Number 7. Lincoln MKZ Luxury for less. The early 2010s Lincoln MKZ offers features like leather seats, heated, cooled front seats, and a strong 3.5 V6 engine for under $5,000. It's quick, 0-60 in under 7 seconds, and gets up to 27 mpg highway. AWD is optional and the ride quality is plush. Watch for transmission lag or power steering leaks, but overall, it's a solid luxury option on a tight budget. Number 6. Toyota RAV4. This 2001-2005 compact SUV is known for its no-nonsense dependability. The 2.0L and 2.0L engines regularly last over 200k miles. Some early automatics, 2001-2003, needed software updates to fix transmission quirks, but once sorted, these are very low maintenance. Fuel economy is a solid 25 mpg combined, and many parts are shared with the Camry, making upkeep easy. Number 5. Honda CR-V. The 2002-2006 CR-V is as close to bulletproof as it gets in the compact SUV world. Its 2.4L engine regularly hits 210k miles with basic care. Average yearly maintenance is around $410. It even offers real-time AWD. The main issue is a known AC compressor failure, but if it's been replaced, you're set. Practical, reliable, and efficient. It checks all the boxes. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. Want mid-size SUV space without the full-size fuel bill? The 2001-2007 Highlander gives you just that. V6 models can go 200k plus miles easily. Early models had some oil sludge issues, but only in poorly maintained units. Take care of it, and it'll take care of you. It's basically a taller Camry, offering ride comfort and family-friendly utility. Number 3. Toyota 4Runner. For those who need serious durability, the 4Runner, 1996-2004, is a beast. These SUVs regularly clock over 300k miles. Engines like the 3.L and 4.L V6s are proven long-term champs. Prices under 5k are rare but possible. Just inspect for frame rust. Some were more prone to corrosion. Otherwise, this is the SUV equivalent of an old tank. Number 2. Subaru Forester. A favorite for outdoor lovers and snow country drivers, the Forester from the late 2000s still delivers. Subaru's AWD system is among the best, and the 2.5L Boxer engine handles 200k plus miles well if you keep up with oil changes. Head gasket issues existed in some models, so check service history. Aside from that, it's a durable and versatile crossover. Number 1. Toyota Prius. From 2004 to 2009, the Prius didn't just change the fuel game, it proved hybrids could last. Many run past 250k miles, and some taxis hit over 600k on original hybrid batteries. Fuel economy is a standout at 45-50 mpg. Battery replacements have become cheaper and aren't needed often. Even at high mileage, these still drive like new according to owner reviews. For savings and longevity, the Prius is hard to beat.